What's up, homies? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite Thanksgiving sides. It's spicy green beans that is so savory. It requires very little ingredients and it's so simple to make. So let's get cooking. But before we do, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel by hitting that little button that's right up there. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell so you never have to miss one of my videos. Why would you? Anyways, let's get into the video. So guys, don't forget you can always find my ingredients right here in the beginning. Okay, go ahead and add your green beans to a pot of boiling water with 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using 1.5 pounds of green beans and I'm gonna cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. You wanna strain your green beans and then you're gonna add it to an ice bath to stop the beans from cooking. Now an ice bath is just a bowl filled with ice water and ice pieces. This is going to help your green beans to look nice and fresh and green and have a little bit of a crunch. So you're gonna drain it and set it aside. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter to my pan. I'm gonna melt it. And then I'm gonna add 4 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and you can add more if you really need it spicy. Okay, and we're gonna fry that up for about a minute, making sure not to burn your garlic. You don't want to do that, so watch that carefully. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. You're gonna love this. And a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Okay, now you're gonna add in your drained green beans, okay? And you're gonna coat it well with all the ginger and the garlic and this pepper. I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme. You know I love this. The zest of a lemon, which I also love. And baby, we're gonna put some black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add more if you want to kick. And a little bit of salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm trying to watch my salt intake, so I probably added less. Adjust your salt to taste. Now at this point, once everything is coated, you can cover your pot and let it steam for 5 minutes and it can be done. But if you want to get really fancy, okay, what you're going to do is add 1 tablespoon of dried cranberries and a tablespoon of slivered almonds or any nut of your choice. I use walnuts, pine nuts, but today I'm using almonds. You're gonna steam that for 5 minutes and my people, we are done. Okay, you're gonna serve this up and it's gonna look so beautiful on your Thanksgiving table or any table or on any regular day. Add all those little bits and pieces, the garlic, ooh, it's so delicious. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite side. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!